at Hooch Bar. We're here to make an epic cocktail for you today. What was the cocktail called, mate?
Your Hanson Ruler. It is a mix of our wonderful Hanson beer with vermouth, apricot brandy, Luxado, and grenadine. Stir down into a Coupe.
Yum, yum, yum. I'm excited to get into this. So I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to make this.
Let's take it away. Alright, so we go 40 mils of the Hanson beer.
Into this as well, yeah.
Yeah, go into that one.
40 mils is just...
That'll do. That's enough. Alrighty, we have 15 of our dry vermouth.
This is a massive step up for me. My vermouth bottle is like this.
We don't go half-assed here.
So what inspired you to make this cocktail?
To be honest, we had a bit of a quiet night. I was like, fuck it, let's make something fun.
Yeah.
And we have a little special going on anytime tomorrow, so why not? Then we have Luxado, just a little bar spin of that, which is a cherry liqueur.
So I feel as if like so many cocktails are kind of made in those moments where people are...
Yeah, that was slightly different. And we have a little bit of apricot brandy.
Might want another spoonful of that.
Split back with this one.
Alright. And this is the... Oh, nice. Yeah, that sounds beautiful. Wow.
A little bit of fun, always a bit of flavour. And then lastly, we have a tiny little bar spoon of grenadine, which is kind of like a pomegranate kind of syrup.
Wow, the colour of that.
Makes it fun.
My... Is there like there's a better way to hold it? No.
These ones are a lot of fun to do.
Oh my god. There we go.
Perfect.
Wow, that's really like serious. I like the colours.
And then you have, just to finish off, a couple of dashes of angostura bitters. Do that. Yeah, just like that. That'll be. And then just do a good old dash of ice in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Plus.
Fill it up. Throw some into me as well.
Yeah.
In the glass. So, alrighty. And then, have you served before?
I've stirred at home.
Let's give it a go.
Try.
Alright, that's the technique.
That's it.
It'll do its job.
So essentially, why am I stirring this?
So you want to bring that loose now a little bit, take the heat away from the bourbon, and also bring out the extra flavours as well. So, you getting there? So about 10 to 12 seconds.
Wait, I gotta figure this out.
Do you want to drug?
Alright, there we go. I will never be hired as a bartender.
Grab one of these ones. It's all about personality.
Look at the colour difference.
Throw it on top. Just put this straight in.
It's quite viscous, isn't it?
There's this stark difference in colour in there.
Alright, so mine.
And then we just finish off with a little drink. Okay.
So we do a twist, is there like a way that you...
Not really. It's hope for the best.
I feel like that's how I live life.
Just squeeze over the top, get
I'm
the
always just
soils.
hoping for the best.
That's right too. How's that work out for you?
5, still living. Alright.
Sick. Just better than I did. You just cut the tip off as well.
Oh, okay.
No, you just throw it in.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
And just twist it.
Yeah. Just squeeze that at the top. Get the oils out. Just drop it in.
Bam.
There we go.
Thank you. This is a much more handsomer ruler than that one. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if it's actually. Sorry, man. Cheers. Bloody hell. Oh my goodness, dude. Wow. Yeah, I was gonna say. Yeah, we'll try yours. Yeah, wow, yours has like a much more grapefruity kind of flavor in there. I don't know what it is, but thank you, I appreciate that. Anyway, guys, come on down to Hooch Bar. You can have Michael sort you out. You can have one of these delicious, handsome rulers. You can check out all of their cocktails on their menu as well. Epic place. Just off Brunswick Street in Fitzroy.
I've had a few too many things, so.